Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to put a Modor garage door opener on my Indian Challenger. I guess I'm just trying to save some money, but because I think the factory car door opener is like $175, and this one is, I think, with shipping, shipped to me was $99. So I'm going to try to put this somewhere where it's not too visible, hopefully up near the dash on the Indian. But first off, we're going to program the Modor opener to my garage door. So here we go. The last ones I've had have been pretty easy to kind of program. I have a LiftMaster, but it works same way Chamberlain does. It says LiftMaster, Do It, Master Mechanics, Raynor, True Value, and Sears Craftsman are all compatible with Chamberlain. So here's the instructions, and we'll just go down and read through these real quick. Locate your garage door learn button. It will be located on the motor somewhere. Sometimes you have to open the light compartment to access it, and I do have to open the light compartment to access it. Then that's what step 1 is. Then there's step 2. Step 2 is locate your garage door manufacturer on the list and note the number of times to press the button. And that pressing the button is on the garage door remote, not on the garage door itself. And then 3, on the back of your Modor, using a push pin or paper clip, insert into the hole and press the program button until the LED light is lit. So on the back of your Modor, there is this little button. You have to push, use a paper clip to push in. And then there's an LED light, I think is right here, that'll blink. Then it says press and release the learn button on your garage door motor. Then that's what step 4 is. Then step 5, press activation button the amount of times as directed in step 2, ensuring the LED stops flashing after each press. Code is accepted when the door moves or the motor clicks or the lights turn on. On some Genie overhead doors, the learn LED light on the motor turns off. Locate your okay, that's what 5 is. And then 6, insert push rod again into the program button to turn off the LED light and close programming. So programming complete, press switch to test the door. If the door does not activate, return to step 2. We appreciate your positive feedback. So we're going to give it a shot. Follow the directions. I think that was one of my learning things from last time, is follow the directions. And one would think that I'm using that mic, but I wasn't. Hopefully you could hear me still. I didn't have my mic hooked up. That's on top of the camera. So mine has a purple button. So, and the number of times I'm going to have to press the button on this thing is 3 times. I'm just going to use, I think, a cotter pin. Yeah, a small little cotter pin to push the hole. Alright, so I've done 2. I know I'm going to have to push the button on the controller 3 times. So now it says on the back of your Modor, use a push pin or paper clip, insert into the hole and press the program button until the LED light is lit. So the LED light there is lit. Press and release the learn button on your garage door motor. So turn this, yikes. I'm not going to take you up there, but that's my garage door, and there's a purple button up there. Alright, on that one it has like an orange light, and then we will push. Let's see here. We will push the button. 1, 2, 3. It just programmed it. So now you see the flash of the bulb up there, and then once that's learned, we're going to turn off the LED button by again just pushing. Oops. See if we can do this with. You don't need to see my fat face, but just push in on the hole, and the LED light goes out. And then cross your fingers that you've done everything right. And that's it. Make sure you don't have nothing in the way of the garage door. But yeah, that is so easy to program. We'll open it up. Works like a charm. So now, what I want to do is find a spot for it on my motorcycle. I want it up in here if I can get it, because the original one goes up in there. So we're going to take the dash piece off. It's just Velcroed up there. So, yeah, well, how was that? Yeah, that's just Velcroed, pulled up on it. So what I've got to figure out is if there's enough. Well, here's where the factory garage door opener goes, and underneath this plug. I've got to figure out if there's going to be room up here for that. If not, it's just going to go underneath one of these side panels. But the goal would be to put it somewhere so when you take, like, I want it just to go here so I can push the button pretty easy. So the goal would be just to put it here. I just don't know if it'll fit. I don't know, maybe I can just stick it down in this hole past the gauges. I don't know, just find a good spot for it and then mount it. It's too big for any of that. Guess I'll just try it like so. This side has space for it. This side has the motor, I think, to the windshield on it. So it does have Velcro on the back of it. That way you have a fairly decent chance of it sticking. I guess wish me luck. Anyway, I just stuck it down in that hole for now. Up against this piece. Let me see if this will work. Will it even go? I don't even think it'll go. Well, it won't. So, maybe just need to get a longer cable. I think it'd be so hard to find a spot for a button. Yeah, maybe just like right there. I think that'll work. Alright, probably there then. Probably there. Just want to make sure the windshield's going to move. Alright, the windshield moves. So right there it will be. And that'll be it. So we can take you off and show you what I've done. Alright, so I've put the button up there. There's the button. Well, this is a break in the video. I seem to forgot to show you how or where I put the actual unit at, but it's down right there. It's just on that bracket or whatever. So anyway, back to the video. I think it's all right. Yeah, that's pretty easy. It's pretty easy to do. Probably the hardest part of it is to find a place on your bike. It's not just for an Indian, those are just universal, so you just gotta find a place to stick it. I had one on that sports strap there, same exact one. So I had one on a Grom, same exact one. So they do sell Harley specific ones for the switches for the dash on the Ultras and stuff, or your street glides and road glides, and any of them that have the dash panel in them. So, and some that are the button, like for your odometers and stuff. So anyway, if this helped you, like, subscribe, comment. I try to get back to most people. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.